welcome to Gen Y, your daily dose of. I'm Andre.
And I'm Bintang.
Wait.
And this is our channel, Gen Y. This is basically our channel, our media, to address issues that we're having on daily basis, that the things that we're taking for granted.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're trying to do.
Yeah, a little bit of background. Andre here is,
We're both Indonesian.
we both
Kita orang Indonesia.
kami actually orang
Oh,
Indonesia.
sorry. You see, my Indonesian isn't so good, so that's because I've been abroad for most of my life.
Yeah, I myself just baru balik dari Malaysia, so not really that bule compared to him, but yeah.
What are we talking about today?
Yeah, so the first topic will be the struggle that most Indonesian yang udah pernah live abroad are facing ketika mereka balik lagi ke Indonesia. Just like Adra here, kayak tadi dia bilang dia baru balik selama 1 tahun di Indonesia, not even 1 year. I think.
No. I lived in Indonesia for 1 year when I was a kid. But then now I'm back because I'm working here. I've only been here as in Jakarta for 4 bulan.
Yes. Do you find it hard to readjust, or in your case maybe adjusting to Indonesian lifestyle, particularly Jakarta?
Moving to a different place from different countries, of course you're gonna have to adjust to different cultures. One of the main thing is the wordings that people use here. Man, what the, you know, they shorten every freaking word, and they expect me to know all these short forms. You know, for example, what forms?
Warbol.
in my office, there's this place called Warbol, which is short form for Warung Bolong. It is what's warung ya? Pakai bahasa Inggris.
Or is like a kedai,
Kedai. Kedai lubang.
It's like a kiosk lah.
Warung that has a bolong.
A hole.
A hole, yeah. Warung that has a hole. And then they short it as Warbol. Another one is Nope. Nope. I was in a group text, and then one of the admin staff asked me, it's like, Adrian, minta nope. I was like, what the fuck does she want? Nope. I was like,
She wants something but no.
nope. Yeah, I was like, what the fuck does she want? I didn't reply for 1 day, and then I asked my friend.
That's rude, man.
Sorry. I asked my friend, what does nope mean? Turns out it means no. What does it mean?
Okay, let me clarify that for you, okay? So, it's bukan nope, tapi yang benar itu nope. Is a short form of nomor handphone.
See, even you don't know. Even the
I know,
Indonesian.
it's nomor handphone.
See,
P-nya
dari mana? So,
Nomor HP.
Nomor HP lah.
Oh no.
HP itself, HP itu sendiri bahkan is actually a short form of, is an abbreviation of handphone. H-A-P-E, HP. So you add that with nomor, jadi nomor HP, you lu ngambil yang belakangnya doang, tapi lu nomor ngambil yang depan, nomor HP, nope. Sounds complicated.
it's complicated. That's the final answer.
No, but
the story. My friend, our friend, right? Then the guy behind the camera right here. He's Indonesian.
He's more Indonesian
than any of us. And he even has culture shock in this thing. Okay, this is the story. Going to leave the office early. And he
No,
got
I'm not going. I'm not leaving the office early. On time.
on time. He thought it was on time. He left. Let's say he left at 5, but he was supposed to leave at 6. Well, on the way leaving, his boss caught him leaving and took him into the office. His boss called him and said, "What was it? Lo mau tenggo nggak? Tenggo?
No. Lu jangan tenggo juga.
Lo jangan tenggo juga lah."
Then his boss continued the preaching lecture, you know. Okay.
So like, it was a 15 minutes of lectures of tango.
Of tango.
Yeah.
Why you should not tango? Within that 15 minutes, my friend here had a blurred face. At the end of the 15-minute lecture, he asked him, "What's tango?" Do any of you know what tango is?
This is tango.
Look where he ended up now.
On the floor.
Turns out tango is tang on the go.
Well, ya. Itu bisa sih jelasin kayak gitu. So
No.
the
I'm wrong.
That's correct. Partly correct. So I think the word tango itu diambil dari kata, you know, when jam hit something o'clock, itu kayak tang kan, right on the clock. Jadi so tang it's to indicate jam pulang. If it's 5 o'clock, then jam pulang is tang is 5 o'clock lah.
Yeah.
So once it tang, you go. Hence tang go.
So creative, right?
I wonder who created it first. You know, it's like.
Indonesian people are creative.
It must be an employee.
Yeah. So my point is, why are we shortening our words? Usually short forms are to make things simpler, right?
But, yeah.
But even Indonesians themselves, they don't know. We short form everything. If our generation continue to short form every freaking word, by in a few years time, we will all talk in short form like ha ha ta ha ta ta. And we won't know what we're gonna talk about. Yeah, I mean, we need a dictionary for this alone.
No, there has to be a standard gimana orang harusnya short form kata-kata.
Another unique thing about Indonesian pronunciation of English words. Wi-Fi. What did they say? Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi. I think Wi-Fi.
Sometimes it's Wi-Fi, sometimes it's Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Then
I mean, they got it right. Why?
why the fi doesn't follow?
Inconsistent banget gitu apa? Kayak
Was it?
was it?
Was it?
Was it? It's like
What's
a
up?
gangster way of
It's
saying what's
ways.
up. It's ways people. That's the thing. Indonesia never
Follow
follow
the
the standard. Even the standard that they are creating by themselves. Despite all the things that we complain and we rant about, deep inside actually we think
Not deep, man. Memang we think like that.
yang paling benernya, yang you know the truest call itu bahwa we actually love Indonesia.
Of course. I mean, to solve. You see, this guy behind the camera is the real. Solve every problem, you need to recognize the problem.
You
at
need to
first.
admit that you have a problem.
Yeah.
That's why we're here.
We cannot blind ourselves with saying that we are good, and ignore the problem without solving it.
Yep.
But
No matter what happens to Indonesia, I will always love Indonesia because I'm Indonesian.
you wait 1 year later, he changed his nationality. Indonesians have good food. We have great history.
We have great history. We have good people
Good
everywhere.
people. Even after all we said about their characteristic and all of that, Indonesian you can say that they are polite. They are polite Indonesians.
They like to smile.
Yeah, they like to
Yeah.
smile. Sometimes it's
We like to smile.
creepy. But yeah,
What is kekeluargaan in English?
kekeluarga.
Kekeluargaan. Okay, that's.
There are bad things about Indonesia and there are good things about Indonesia. And here kita di sini bukan mau negatif about Indonesia. We are ourselves Indonesian and we are kadang-kadang kita juga do the things that we complain about just now. But it's not about complaining. It's about admitting the problem in order
And
to fix
accepting
the problem.
Yeah. To close this episode, thank you for watching our first ever episode.
Are you sure there are people watching this video?
I hope that our video was meaningful and stay tuned for our next episode.
And-
comment.
comment and-
we
bukan
will,
sans, it looks.
And you need to subscribe.
don't forget to subscribe.
Like our videos, comment and
subscribe.
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 I'm out of here.
You have to put the subscribe button right here above my head, okay?
It's not enough space.
Right here.
Maybe
On my 6 rolls.
your chest, stick roll.
Subscribe.
6 rows.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
6 rows.